Hey guys, today I'm making video about hosting with DigitalOcean. First you need to have a domain name. Buy it from any domain registrar. I prefer to go with a GoDaddy because it's more active organization. And for the hosting, I prefer DigitalOcean because you can have advantage of using the third-party tools like SSL or free SSL certifications. So here in DigitalOcean, create a droplet. First you need to create a project, enter your name. As I enter JasleenCore.in, and the description, this is a website I'm gonna use as a technical blog, and this it's for educational purposes. Create the project, and the distribution you want to go with, I prefer going with Ubuntu, and there are various plans available. The basic one is too good because you can extend it later on, and there are one-click apps available. I want to make it a WordPress blog, so I'll choose a WordPress option. Again, there are various plans. The basic one is a good for me. Enable the backup option available. That's not costly. It's just 20% off your droplet price and $1. That's data center, choose it wisely. The data center, there are various and you need to choose it wisely. And add your SSH keys, and this is a more secure way for the remote login. And rather than login and password, choose a host name you want. That would be like easy to remember from all the projects, and from other projects too. Choose a host name that would be easy to remember later on. So that's project under JasleenCore.in. Create. It's creating. It's done. Its IP address, copy that and put it in URL. It's so this is a welcome page. And please enable your WordPress installation. For that, an email will be sent to your email account with the username and password along with the IP address. Fill the details and SSH from your terminal. It will prompt you for the Unix password. Enter the same password given in email. Now create a new password for your account. Re-enter again, and it's done. Refresh the page again. It's working. Now select the language, continue, and fill up your details for the website. Install WordPress. Success, it's done. Now log in with your email ID and the password or username you can use. Password is log in. Here is a dashboard. It's pretty simple and with lots of functionalities and options, which is very easy to work with. And here it is. For now, thank you. In the next video, we will share how to point your domain name to your web hosting IP address. Thank you.